Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a Aliexpress and my very first Peachy cheap haul, and I'm going to share that with you. So the first Aliexpress piece that I have is this bag topper. I really like making bag toppers, and so I bought this. Oh my god, I can't pick it up. This bag topper here, and then it has these two little bow pieces. And then the little part that goes in the center. This took, I think in April, I ordered this stuff. And it's taken that long. Obviously COVID and everything, and it does take a while to get here to Canada. It's usually 2 months, so. And then I have this other bag topper. Super adorable. And has the two hearts where I can change the color there. Then I have this circle die. Couldn't find one here locally. Walmart, I got the square one, but I couldn't find the circle one. I didn't even see it at Michael's, but I got that. Then I have this little box die cut, and it actually created this little thing. Isn't that adorable? Super small, but you know, I like to make jewelry, and I think, you know, earrings or something might fit in there perfectly, or, you know, some goodies at Christmas time, like a little chocolate or something. And then with this piece here, you'll have extra little embellishment or layer pieces, ephemera, whatever you want to call that, but you have little bits and bobs there. So that was cute, and excited to receive those. I don't have a big die collection, so that's perfect. And then I got some resin pieces. Really excited for these ones. These are little Starbucks drinks. They're so cute. Oh, I saw those and I said, well, I gotta have that. But when I'm in England, I like to I always use my gift or an app for Starbucks, where they don't have the Tim Hortons or anything like that, not where I've been, but I love going to Starbucks when I'm there. And, you know, it's really easy to use the card, so I thought, perfect, reminds me of England, even though we have it here in Canada, but it's just a memory that I love. And then I have these perfume bottles. So I got 5 perfume bottles. They were only a couple dollars, if that. Coco Chanel. So that's those ones. They have little glitter pieces in there. You can see at the bottom. And then I got those as well in green. So just the same thing, but a little green with some glitter. Then I got these little cushion pieces. And these ones are the hearts. Those were cute. Those. Then I got the butterfly ones. And they've just got the sequin mixes on top of them, which is pretty great idea. It looks like it has a little mesh over the cushion, and then the sequence is sewn in there. So, and they're just plain on the back. Those. Then I got these kitty cats. Love kitty cats. At first I was always just a cat lover, and then when my husband and I got together, of course I had my cat Cheyenne. She was a calico. She passed away when she was almost 18, and then we got a dog, and yeah, we've had dogs, and that's it. But I still love kitty cats. They're super adorable. And these ones are just the plain with the shine on it. Really cute. They're so cute. So that's those pieces. And then the last 2 that I got from AliExpress, these were ordered, I think, a month or more after that other stuff, but these, is it eyelets pieces, and I'm going to be making a craft that I can use these. I wanted some different designs. The ones I have are just circles. And then I have the heart ones. And the heart ones have little grooves going through it. So those are cute too. I'm not sure how the sizing goes on those, so I'm not really sure on the sizing. And then my very first Peachy Cheap haul or order came in. All right, so here is my Simple Stories 12 by 12 collection kit, 114 pieces. You guys have probably already seen this because for me, it's 2 months older than what you guys have already been seeing on Peachy Cheap, but it's the Hey Crafty Girl. And so you get the ephemera pieces. And then you have your little journal, your planner. Love to craft. I'm so crafty I sweat glitter. That's cute. Live, love, create. And then, you know, just a few other pieces and all that stuff and with some wording. So that's cute. Then you get these Simple Story chipboard pieces. And that's I think it's a typewriter. Yeah. And then I think that's a glue bottle. There we go. So that's everything that you get in the package. And then you get the sticker pieces. Oh, did I show the, yeah, with the green. Then you get all those little sticker pieces. Oh, I like that. It's a combo of cardboard stickers. Okay, guys, well, that's my the very first Peachy Cheap order. And I actually am loving this. So I'm going to keep an eye out for more stuff. If it is the new norm with being late for, you know, the deliveries being so late, then I may have to go ahead and order a couple just to keep me tied over for a little while. But thanks for staying as long as you have to watch my haul, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.